In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import your product data into QuickBooks, making sure you have a smooth and organized bookkeeping experience. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your process is as efficient as possible, starting with logging into your QuickBooks account and finishing with successfully importing your products. Let's get started. First, go to QuickBooks and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the gear icon. This icon is key to accessing your account's settings and tools, so it's good to familiarize yourself with its location. Once the menu is open, look for the section labeled Tools. Under this section, you'll need to select Import Data. This will open up a range of options for data importation. Select Products and Services to proceed with importing your product information. Next, click on Import CSV. Before proceeding, ensure you have your products listed in an Excel or CSV file format. If you need a guide template, download the sample template provided. This template will help you correctly format your product information, including details such as product or service name, category, sales price, and more. The template covers necessary fields like item type, SKU, sales description, and tax details, ensuring that every crucial piece of information is appropriately recorded. Once your CSV file is ready, click on Select CSV to upload your file. After selecting your file, click on Next. QuickBooks will prompt you to map your column headings, a crucial step to ensure that all data aligns correctly once imported. Carefully map fields such as product or service, name, category, and item type, ensuring all the columns in your CSV file are appropriately linked to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. You'll also need to map specific details like SKU, sales description, and sales price. If your products are taxable, ensure that the tax fields are correctly assigned. Don't forget to map quantities and other inventory-related columns like quantity on hand and the date to reflect accurate stock levels. After mapping the data, click Next. In case you see red boxes or alerts, it indicates missing information. Double-check these fields and fill in any missing details to ensure a smooth import process. Once all information has been verified and is complete, click Save. At this point, QuickBooks will begin processing your import. You might need to wait for a few moments as it processes. And finally, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your products have been successfully imported. Congratulations, your products are now neatly organized within your QuickBooks account. This will greatly simplify your accounting tasks and improve the efficiency of managing your inventory and sales data in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.